Hi guys, I'd like to show you this incredible machine I have in just now. This belongs to one of my clients of 12 years who always buys some interesting machinery, and this is his latest toy. So what is this car? What is this? It's looks like a classic 911, but it's actually based on a Porsche 993 from 1995. It's a Retromod, so modern Porsche mechanicals with classic Porsche 911 styling. All new bodywork, full nut and bolt restoration basically, and an all new interior. So it's like a brand new classic 911, but with all the modern technology inside it. It's a fantastic piece of kit. So why is it here? Well, this car has obviously been fully restored, and it's fully PPF'd before coming to me. But the owner noticed that the surfaces were very rough to the touch, quite heavily contaminated. So he wanted the surfaces to be nice and slick to the touch and well protected. So I've done a full decontamination of the surfaces of the car, given the PPF a light machine polish to fully deep clean it, to bring out the gloss and clarity of the film so the car looks a lot better. And I've coated all of the surfaces with GYEON Infinite Ceramic Coating, which is a long-term coating, which will make this car very easy for the owner to maintain and keep it looking amazing for him. So that extends to all the surfaces outside the car, the wheels, the PPF paintwork and all the glass. So the interior, which is absolutely gorgeous, we've got suede and leather everywhere. This has all been coated with GYEON fabric, which will help repel any dirt and water that get in here. We do live in quite a wet country, so you know, opening the door, you don't want rain staining the seats. And it's on the door cards as well, as you can see there. So coated with GYEON fabric, all the leather surfaces coated with GYEON leather coat, which will make these surfaces easy to clean, keep everything looking fresh. So there we are, one classic Retromod Porsche 911 completed, looking its best, detailed to a high standard for the owner. So if you would like your own car to be detailed to a high standard and well protected with a good quality ceramic coating, then do get in touch with me. I'll leave my contact details on this post in the description, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks very much for watching.